Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to convert Clipart into a Cricut SVG file. So in order to do that, you're going to need a few programs. The first one is going to be called Inkscape, which is a free to use program. You'll go to the download current version, and then you can select based off of your operating system. So I already have it pre-installed. And then you'll need some kind of photo editing software. It can be as simple as Paint or Photoshop, and then of course Cricut Design Space. So to start out, we'll need our Clipart image. And right here I've got social media icons. I'm going to head and copy that. We'll paste that into our photo software, because what happens is when we generate the SVG, we're not going to be able to split up these images, so we're going to have to upload the symbols that we want individually. So first, I'm going to copy the Facebook, open up Inkscape, and then you can paste it directly into the file. What happens here is when you do that is you're going to have this big canvas space. So you'll click the image, go up to Edit, down to Resize Page to Selection. So now when you generate the image and save it, you're not going to have a huge cutting area. So with the image selected, we're going to go up to Path, Trace Bitmap, and then we're going to click Update. So it's going to look a little grainy right here. Don't be worried. We'll hit OK. And then we will close out. So we're going to have our clean vector right here. We're going to have to delete the image we used. Move that back into the canvas. We'll click Save. And then it's going to default to Inkscape SVG. We'll do and next, we're going to open up Design Space. Okay, so now that we have Design Space open, we will go to Upload, Upload Image. You can either browse for it or click and drag. And there you go. You have your image.